Good morning from Parquet. So just a little quick video because we're doing some finish work on a hatch or cave hatch. I just wanted to show you some of the machines that we use in order to do this. So first of all, we have the KT or the Bona edge sander with halogen lights built in. This is a dual sander, it has a short foot and long foot. We use this for doing our borders and under radiators and under hard to reach areas. Then we have the Festool Rotex 150, which is a finish sander and also a more aggressive sander for doing edge work and any more difficult areas to reach. Then we have the Festool R90. This is probably my favourite sander out of all of my sanders. And the reason why is it has a Rotex mode, it has fine sander mode, and then triangle head mode. This head comes off, so I can replace this with a triangle head, with a long reach triangle head, and also a little adapter that I've now made for it. I have two of these in our kit because it's just such a good sander, especially for stairs and fine work. Then we have a newest addition to our kit, which is the Delta sander. It's battery operated, but it also has a connection here that I want to attach it to cords and have it on mains electricity. I can do that as well. The Delta sander is really good for doing fine finish work in difficult to reach areas, especially on staircases, because it's light. As you can see, you've got your Delta pad, and I can either put full sanding pads on this, or I can put the smaller triangle pads which are made for the R90. Now, why am I showing you these sanders? Because it's important that when you see the finish we get, you see how we get there. So just in front of you now, you've got a €2,000 sander, a €600 sander, a €600 sander, and a €450 sander. And that's just sanders for edge work. So when I invested, or when I continue to invest into machines, it's because I want to make my job easier and I want to give my clients a better outcome. So buying this sander and having two of these each means that our second person can be working while I'm working, and everybody is given the same finishing across the project. So we don't have people using different types of sanders, we only use Festool, so that we know that we're going to get the same finish level across all areas in all rooms. Same with the KTs with the Bona. We don't use any other machines apart from Bona and Pallmann, because basically they're the best on the market and that's what we prefer, and it gives the same standard across all of our work. That's why we use machines that are reliable. They don't break, they don't fail, and they only leave a good finish. That's why we do what we do, and that's why people keep coming back to us, because they know that we invest to give you the best outcome. I hope that helps, and have a great day.